Ever struggled with flimsy plastic jars that scratch and stink? Today we're revealing the top 6 best blenders with sturdy glass jars that will seriously upgrade your kitchen game. I promise you'll find your perfect match, and if you do, check the links in the description to grab yours with ease. On number 6 is Oster Pro 1200. Emotionally engaging review that flows like an expert guide and naturally connects to Oster Pro 1200 without cliches or repeated phrases from previous scripts. Shockingly, most blenders with glass jars promise kitchen magic but leave you with chunks and regrets until you try the real contenders on my top 6 list, where reliability meets real-world use. I was tired of limp smoothies and half-blended soups. That daily frustration ended the moment a glass jar crusher like the Oster Pro 1200 entered my counter. It worked through ice and leafy greens with 7 speeds and smart settings that felt intuitive rather than overwhelming. Alongside it, solid picks like the retro charm Oster Reverse Crush stood strong for everyday smoothie sauces and crushing ice without plastic smell buildup, an Obstacle model surprised with frozen drink performance. Yes, a few felt bulky or lacked torque for nut butter, but each solved the basic problem: blending without compromise. If you're replacing a flimsy unit with something that feels made rather than assembled, these glass jar blenders make the kitchen feel like a place of creation again. At number 5 is Facelle Countertop. Most people don't realize this: many blenders fail not because of power but because the jar gives up first. That's where the top 6 best blender with glass jar category earns its respect, and the Facelle Countertop quietly stands its ground. Start with the real problem. Buyers want strength but hate scratches, stains and lingering smells. Plastic jars age fast. Glass doesn't. Facelle's glass jar keeps flavors clean and heat under control, making daily smoothies, sauces and ice blending feel effortless. Short bursts of power. Smooth rotations. A countertop blender that doesn't scream for attention yet performs when it matters. The Facelle Countertop motor handles frozen fruit well, though heavy nut butter may take an extra pause. Fair trade-off. Compared with others to bulkier glass jar blenders in the same class, Facelle feels lighter, easier to rinse, and more kitchen-friendly. It's not built for cafes but for homes that value clarity, durability, and everyday reliability. At number 4 is WantJoin 68 ounces. That's the reality behind searching for the top 6 best blender with glass jar. Most buyers face the same problem. Plastic jars absorb smells. Motors stall. Cleanup feels like punishment. Glass changes the game, but only if the power matches it. This is where the WantJoin 68 ounces glass jar blender quietly earns attention. The large 68 ounces capacity handles family smoothies and meal prep without constant refills. The thick glass jar resists staining, stays odor-free, and feels solid on the counter. High-speed blending turns frozen fruit and ice into smooth results, not gritty compromises. There are trade-offs. Glass adds weight and it's louder than compact blenders. But compared to smaller personal blenders, WantJoin delivers consistency, volume and durability they simply can't match. If you want fewer replacements, cleaner taste and reliable performance, this model fits naturally among the top-tier glass jar blenders built for real kitchens, not quick demos. At number 3 is GDOR Professional. Glass jars don't forgive weak motors, and that's exactly why most blenders disappoint before the first month ends. In the top 6 best blender with glass jar category, people struggle with noise, cracked jars, and blades that panic at ice. GDOR Professional steps into that frustration with a very different energy. First impression? Weighty. Stable. Seriously. The glass jar feels thick and heat safe, built for hot soups and frozen smoothies without that nervous rattle. The GDOR Professional motor power handles ice, nuts and fibrous greens smoothly, not heroically, just reliably. Morning smoothies stay silky. Weekend sauces blend evenly. Cleanup stays simple thanks to the wide glass base. It's heavier than plastic jar models. Storage needs space. Compared with others to lighter glass blenders in the same class, GDOR Professional trades portability for durability and steadier performance. That trade makes sense if you blend often and hate replacing appliances. This isn't about hype, it's about fewer breakdowns, quieter mornings and meals that finally turn out the way you imagined. At number 2 is Hamilton Beach Power. A cracked plastic jar can ruin a perfect smoothie faster than a power outage. That's why glass jar blenders still matter. In the world of the top 6 best blender with glass jar strength isn't just about watts. It's about trust. Hamilton Beach Power steps in right here. Daily problems are simple. Ice won't crush evenly. Heat warps cheap jars. Motors stall mid-blend. Hamilton Beach Power blenders answer with solid glass construction, steady torque, and controlled speed transitions. You feel the difference when frozen fruit pulls down instead of bouncing. The blend keeps moving. Compared with others to some Ninja glass models, Hamilton Beach Power favors balance over aggression. Less noise. More control. The downside? It won't impress thrill seekers chasing extreme RPMs. But for kitchens that value durability, clear measurements, and consistent texture, it delivers real relief. Sauces stay smooth. Soups stay pure. Cleanup stays simple. This isn't about hype. It's about choosing a blender that earns its place every morning, long after the unboxing excitement fades. Now moving to the last one is CKEMU Professional. Ice doesn't forgive weak machines, and most glass jar blenders learn that the hard way. In the race for the top 6 best blenders with glass jar, buyers face a real problem. They want purity, power and durability, yet fear cracked jars, burning motors, or messy results. This is where the CKEMU Professional blender quietly shifts expectations. Short bursts of authority. A thick, heat-resistant glass jar. A motor tuned for dense smoothies, frozen fruit, and nut blends without hesitation. CKEMU Professional focuses on balance. The blades bite hard, but the blend stays smooth. Daily tasks feel lighter. Cleanup feels faster. That relief matters. Compared to other glass jar blenders in the same category, CKEMU trades flashy presets for raw performance and stability. The upside? Consistent texture and fewer mid-blend pauses. The downside? It's heavier and not built for ultra-compact kitchens. For households tired of plastic smells and underpowered spins, this blender feels like a reset: less frustration, more control, and lasting value. Some tools impress once. Others earn their place every morning. The winner is Oster Pro 1200, and here's why you should buy it. The Oster Pro 1200 stands out with a powerful 1200-watt motor, dual direction blades, and multiple presets that handle smoothies, shakes, sauces, and ice crushing effectively, all at a reasonable price. It comes with versatile jars including a personal smoothie cup, durable construction, and good user reviews for everyday kitchen use. Its balance of power, features, and reliability makes it a smarter choice overall compared to less proven or generic countertop blender options. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best blender with glass jar. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.